Hi, good morning. Welcome to Homemade Gourmet. Today I'm making a delicious and nutritious chicken liver stir fry. Chicken liver is often called a superfood because it's packed with high quality protein, iron, vitamin A, vitamin B12, folate, and several essential minerals. It's specially valued for supporting healthy blood, energy levels, and overall nutrition. Clean the chicken liver and cut it into pieces. To begin with, heat some coconut oil in a pan and fry few coconut pieces until golden and aromatic. Learned, it would end the both of us. There's a first for everything, like a hand holding mine. Once done, add few more spoons of coconut oil and then add the sliced onions, one or two twigs of curry leaves and crushed garlic, and fry the onion. Add 1 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon or little more of red chili powder. Add whole spices, cinnamon, 1 clove and 1 cardamom. Add freshly grated ginger, around 2 teaspoons, and saute onions. Now add the liver, add turmeric and salt. Add little water, close and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Cook till the liver is well done, well cooked. Garnish it with the roasted coconut pieces and generous amount of coriander leaves. Pair this chicken liver fry with appams or rice or dosa or chapatis. Like her hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my baby girl become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave.